Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows can't find a computer or a device, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for control panel in the Windows search bar and open control panel. Now you will have to go to network and internet. Go to network and sharing center. Okay, on the list on the left hand side, there is something called as change advanced sharing settings. Click on it. Okay, now there are two options here. One is for network discovery and the other one is for file and printer sharing. These are both off by default to protect your computer. But if you are trying to connect it to a printer or any external device and you encounter this error, then simply turn both of these switches on. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.